Welcome back to Maverick How To. Today we're going to install the Tusk ATV UTV hitch adapter as well as the Tusk Performance off-road handholds. Pretty simple stuff, so just wanted to show you guys what you're getting into if you decide to buy one. Okay, the parts are pretty simple here. Couldn't ask for an easier setup. Just gonna put the adapter piece in. Slide the pin in there. Boom. Now you got a little adapter there if you need to hook up a trailer. I can kind of show you what it looks like here. A couple choices. Here's one of the options you might use. So it wouldn't go trying to pull a truck around with it, but things around the house. A little bit of paint there. Okay. So you can easily tow around some things you have, maybe a trailer if you need to move it. One place to the other would be a lot easier. Also little carts, things around the yard, farms, etc. Looks a little funny with all that in the back there, but well, serves its purpose. Let's check out the other choice. Okay, here's the other option that you want to put one of these on here if you think you're going to need to get pulled around a lot because you're doing some crazy things. Yeah, it's total preference if it's something you're looking for. Personally, I'll probably keep it inside the box in case I need it, but don't really need to drive around with it on all the time. Only for if you need to get pulled out of a mud hole or maybe a breakdown or something. Who knows? It's always good to be prepared. Well, that's pretty much that. I'll take it apart here and we'll go from there. Next, we're going to install the Tusk UTV handholds. I would recommend that you loosen the roof here in the front if you have a Polaris RZR 1000 Trail, which that's what we are installing them on. Simple pop and clip on both sides here. You're just going to take it up just enough so you can get your hand underneath here. I don't believe you need to take the entire roof off just for it, but definitely make it a little bit easier for the couple minutes it takes to do it. Okay, so here we are. Pretty simple. Just watch how I'm putting it up here. I want the lettering out towards you. I would recommend probably putting it down a little bit lower where it's loose and you can slide it up. Just gonna wrap it around right here. Get the Velcro large pad there in the back hooked up. as this is a one-size-fits-all universal fit. It's not going to be perfect. Get these here. Right there. Yeah, that'll work. Well, pretty simple. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe. Got lots more good stuff coming your way. In the meantime, have a great day.